Hello, drama lovers. Are you ready to fall in love with some of the most addictive Turkish dramas right from the first episode? These series will keep you hooked with their romance, drama, and unforgettable characters. And the best part, you can watch them all with English subtitles. So, let's dive in. At number 1, we have Sen Anlat Kardeniz, Lifeline. This gripping series tells the story of Nefes, a young woman who escapes an abusive marriage with her son and finds refuge with Tahir, a brave fisherman from the Black Sea region. As they confront societal norms and relentless adversaries, a deep and powerful bond forms between them. Will Nefes and Tahir overcome the obstacles threatening their happiness? To find out, watch this heart-wrenching drama. At number 2, we have Medcezir, The Tide, a modern adaptation of the OC. Medcezir follows Yaman, a young man from a troubled neighborhood who gets a chance to turn his life around when taken in by a wealthy family. His life intertwines with Mira, a beautiful and free-spirited girl, leading to a compelling tale of romance and personal growth. But can love conquer the differences between their worlds? Watch to see how their fate unfolds. At number 3, we have Sen Kol Kapı, You Knock on My Door. This romantic comedy centers on Eda, a determined young florist, and Serkan, a wealthy businessman. Their lives collide when Serkan offers Eda a deal, pretend to be his fiancée to help him win back his ex. What starts as a fake relationship soon turns into something real. Will love bloom between them, or will their deal fall apart? At number 4, we have Sefrin Kazid, The Ambassador's Daughter. Nare, the daughter of an ambassador, and Sankar, a poor but ambitious man, share a deep love, but their romance is torn apart by family secrets and betrayal. Years later, an unexpected reunion brings old wounds to the surface. Will their love survive, or is it too late to rewrite their story? At number 5, we have Ayserd, Insider, a thrilling crime drama where two brothers, separated in childhood, unknowingly find themselves on opposite sides of the law. Sarp, an undercover cop, and Mert, a rising mafia leader, are caught in a web of secrets and betrayal. What will happen when the truth about their brotherhood comes to light? At number 6, we have Kukur, The Pet. Set in Istanbul's most dangerous neighborhood, this action-packed drama follows the Kokoval family as they fight to protect their territory. When Yamak, the youngest son, returns home, he gets caught in the middle of crime, love, and power struggles. Will he restore order to Kukur, or will he lose himself in the chaos? At number 7, we have Yal Kapı, Kingfisher. Ferit, a charming playboy from a wealthy family, is forced into an arranged marriage with Seyran, a strong-willed girl from a traditional background. What starts as a forced union slowly turns into an intense love story, full of passion and drama. Will Ferit and Seyran find true love, or will their differences tear them apart? At number 8, we have Aşk Mand Intikam, Love Logic Revenge. Isra and Ozan's marriage falls apart due to financial struggles. Years later, Ozan becomes a successful CEO, and Isra re-enters his life, determined to make him regret leaving her. But as old feelings resurface, will their love story get a second chance, or will revenge take over? At number 9, we have Bahar. Bahar, a resilient single mother, struggles to survive after being abandoned by her parents and husband. Her journey of strength, motherhood, and finding love again will touch your heart. Will Bahar find happiness despite all the hardships life throws at her? These Turkish dramas offer romance, suspense, and unforgettable emotions that will keep you glued to the screen. Which one are you most excited to watch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing drama recommendations. See you in the next video.